Hello dear students, welcome to our second video of Geography Chapter 5 Major Domains of the Earth. Students, as we were studying in our previous video about lithosphere and continents, there we talked about Asia, Europe, Africa and North America. So let's discuss in details about some other continents. South America. It lies mostly in southern hemisphere. It is surrounded by two oceans, namely Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. The Andes, world's longest mountain range, runs through its length from north to south. The world's largest river flows through this continent. Can you name it? Yes, this is Amazon River. Next one is Australia. It is the smallest continent of the world. It lies entirely in southern hemisphere. ये पूरी तरह से southern hemisphere में आता है और यह एक आइसलैंड कॉन्टिनेंट है. Next one, Antarctica. This continent lies completely in southern hemisphere. It is a huge continent. South Pole lies almost at the center of this continent. Because it is located in polar region. In previous chapters, you have studied it lies in frigid zone. Life is not easily possible here as it is always covered by ice. क्योंकि बर्फ से हमेशा ढका रहता है, तो यहाँ का टेम्परेचर इतना डाउन होता है कि यहाँ पर लाइफ पॉसिबल नहीं है. Many countries have research stations in Antarctica. India also has its research station here. And these are named as Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri. Next one is hydrosphere. Our Earth is also called a blue planet as more than 71% of Earth is covered with water and only 29% is with land. Hydrosphere consists of water in all its forms. Whether we talk about water in ocean and rivers and in lakes, ice in glaciers, underground water and water vapor in atmosphere, all comprises the hydrosphere. यानी कि हम पानी जहां भी जिस रूप में भी पाते हैं, चाहे वो वाटर वेपर के रूप में हो, चाहे अंडरग्राउंड वाटर हो या फिर ग्लेशियर हो, सभी तरह के वाटर फॉर्म्स को ऑल टुगेदर हम हाइड्रोस्फीयर में काउंट करते हैं. अगर हम देखें इस पाई चार्ट के माध्यम से, तो more than 97% of the Earth's water is found in ocean and is too salty for human use. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि इसमें नमक बहुत ज्यादा होता है, साल्ट बहुत ज्यादा होता है, इसलिए it is not fit for human consumption. Almost 3% is fresh water that is present in the form of glaciers, groundwater, lakes, rivers and other water bodies present on the earth. यानी कि ये जो हम 2.59% देख रहे हैं, ये हमारा फ्रेश वाटर है जो कि ग्लेशियर्स के रूप में, आइस के रूप में, ग्राउंड वाटर के रूप में एंड फर्दर हम देखते हैं कि लेक्स के रूप में, मॉइस्चर के रूप में और प्लांट, एनिमल, रिवर, वाटर वेपर, इन सारे रूप में पाया जाता है. ओशंस आर द मेजर पार्ट ऑफ हाइड्रोस्फीयर. जैसा कि हमने अभी इसके पहले बात किया, साल्टी वाटर जो है 97% है, तो हम इसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. इसे हम 5 ओशंस में कैटेगराइज करके पढ़ते हैं. दे आर ऑल इंटरकनेक्टेड, मीन्स ये जितने भी ओशन हैं ये सब एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं. देयर आर 5 मेजर ओशंस: द पैसिफिक ओशन, द अटलांटिक ओशन, आर्कटिक ओशन, साउदर्न ओशन एंड इंडियन ओशन. First one is Pacific Ocean. This is the largest ocean of the world. यानी कि हम इसको देखते हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया, एशिया, नॉर्थ अमेरिका और साउथ अमेरिका, इनके बीच में जो ये पार्ट पड़ता है ये हमारा पैसिफिक ओशन. इट इज स्प्रेड ओवर 1/3 ऑफ द अर्थ, यानी हमारे अर्थ का 1/3 हिस्सा जो है ये ओशन है. मैरियाना ट्रेंच, द डीपेस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द अर्थ, लाइज इन द पैसिफिक ocean. It is almost circular in shape. Asia, North and South America surround it of the Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is second largest ocean in the world. It looks like S in shape. आप देख सकते हैं ये S के आकार का है. It flanked by North and South Americas on western side and Europe and Africa in eastern side, as you can see in the map on your screen. इसकी जो कोस्टल एरिया है वो काफी इरेगुलर है, यानी कि टेढ़ी मेढ़ी है, जिससे कि नेचुरल हार्बर्स बहुत सारे बनते हैं यहाँ पर, और इसलिए बिजनेस की दृष्टि से देखा जाए तो ये वर्ल्ड का बिजिएस्ट ओशन कहा जाता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमेशा शिप्स का आना जाना लगा रहता है और शिप्स के माध्यम से यहाँ पर ट्रेड जो है सारी कंट्रीज करती हैं. इंडियन ओशन. It is the only ocean named after a country, that is India. Its shape is almost triangular. In north, it is bound by Asia, and in west by Africa, and in the east by Australia. Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean encircles the continent of Antarctica and extends northward to 60 degree south latitude. ये 60 डिग्री जो साउथ लैटिट्यूड है, यहाँ तक ये काउंट किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट, आर्कटिक ओशन. इट इज लोकेटेड अबव द आर्कटिक सर्कल एंड सराउंड्स द नॉर्थ पोल. इट इज कनेक्टेड विद द पैसिफिक ओशन बाय ए नैरो स्ट्रेच ऑफ शैलो वाटर नोन एज बेरिंग स्ट्रेट. इट इज बाउंड बाय नॉर्दर्न coasts of North Eurasia. Let's revise what you have learned. There are 7 major continents. South America and North America are linked by very narrow strip of land called the Isthmus of Panama. Australia is the smallest continent. It is also called an island continent. More than 71% of the earth is covered with water. Therefore, the earth is called the blue planet. More than 97% of Earth's water is found in the oceans. The 4 major oceans are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country, that is India. The Arctic Ocean is located within the Arctic Circle. So let's check what you have grabbed. Question number 1. Which one of the following is the smallest continent? Option A, North America. Option B, Asia. Option C, Antarctica. And option D, Australia. Your correct answer is option D, Australia. Question number 2. Which ocean is named after a country? Option A, Pacific. Option B, Arctic. Option C, Indian. And option D, Atlantic. Your correct answer is option C, Indian. Question number 3. Where is more than 97% of water present on Earth? Option A, in rivers. Option B, in wells. Option C, in oceans. And option D, in glaciers. Your correct answer is option C, in oceans. Question number 4. Which is the largest ocean? Option A, Pacific. Option B, Atlantic. Option C, Indian. And option D, Arctic. Your correct answer is option A, Pacific Ocean. Here are some questions that are your homework questions that you have to solve in your notebook. I hope you have understood everything properly. Now see you in next video of this chapter. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.